Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2019 Pete 389 factory built glider kit with a pre-elog 3406 cat, 18 speed, 430 on the clock. I've gotten it hot this afternoon. Gonna do a full walk around, show you blow by, oil pressure, interior, everything that you'd want to see. Let's get started. Robot's in good shape. Comes with air ride front end, you can see. Body and paint on this truck is excellent. Very clean in the engine compartment. Does have a wet kit as well. Really cool painting to match the truck tank on the back. It's got a blockable fifth wheel as well. Really good looking stainless fenders, light bar on the back. Not got a lot of rust, but you do have a little bit on this rear chunk, on the rear ends there. Nothing on the frame rail. As far as and you have the normal rust on the fifth wheel plate there. None on the frame rail, just on that accessory plate on the rear ends. Platinum interior. Miles and hours, great low side oil pressure. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else that I've got, feel free to give me a shout, 901-896-4526, or email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.